WhatsApp conversations don't have to rely on customers typing out their responses. With WhatsApp list messages inside of High Level, you can present a clean, organized menu of options so customers can simply tap the one they need, making conversations faster, easier, and more accurate. Imagine you're a dental practice. A patient messages your business asking for help. Instead of asking them to type out what they need, you send them a list of options like book an appointment, reschedule, emergency visits, and billing questions. Patient taps the appropriate option and your workflow automatically routes them down the correct path. To set that up, head over to your High Level sub-account, come over to automations on the left-hand side, and then click on create workflow and start from scratch. We're going to set the trigger to be that a customer replied via WhatsApp. To do that, click on the add new trigger button over here, type in customer replied, and then under filters, come down to reply channel, and then select on WhatsApp. From there, click on save trigger. From there, you're going to click on the plus button over here, type in WhatsApp, and the first thing we're going to add is the WhatsApp customer service window check. This is to check if the 24-hour message window is open. So just select the phone number, then click on save action. Once you do that, under the open branch, click on the plus button again, type in WhatsApp interactive messages, and you'll see under this drop-down menu, we have quick reply buttons, lists, visit website button, contact, location, and WhatsApp call permission. In this example, we're going to look at the list option. The list option allows you to create a navigational system where you can flow your customers down different paths. So let's say I want two sections, appointments and support. Under those sections, I want two options each. To do that, we're first going to add the two section types. Then you want to add a header, a message body, and a button label such as view options. Then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see you will have your two sections that you set. But if you want to add those two options underneath those two sections, then click on row count for section 1, move that over to 2, then do the same thing for section 2. Then give your sections a title. In this case, it's going to be appointments and support. Then under appointments, the first option we're going to add is to book an appointment. So give that title also a description underneath it. Then we want our second option to be reschedule appointment. Again, also give that one a description and then repeat the process for the other section. So if I want my two options to be billing questions and speak to reception, just type it in and don't forget to add a description under each option. From there in the bottom right, click on save action. As you'll see, your branches will now be created with the two sections and the two options underneath those two sections. On the right hand side here, you'll also see not delivered and timeout. Now you can automatically route customers down unique paths and send them custom messages based on their answer. For example, if they wanted to book an appointment, underneath that branch, we can now send them booking information. So click on the plus button over here, type in WhatsApp, and then either select a WhatsApp template or click on freeform message. Then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can type in your message that you want to send to that customer. In this case, I'll say, here is the link to book your appointment, and then add the calendar link. From there, click on save action. You can create unique messages under all the different options that you've set up. Once it's set up, click on publish and save in the top right corner. Then when the customer receives the WhatsApp message, the two sections that you set up will appear over here. Once they click on it, it will then show them the two options underneath that section. And that's how you can use WhatsApp list messages right inside of High Level to guide customers with structured menus and automatically route them through the right workflow. For more information about this, head over to our blog at gohighlevel.com/blog to check it out. The link's on the description below.